Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Take It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram effects or filters not showing on your device. If this sounds helpful to you, watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming videos. So if you are facing this problem, there are a few methods that might help you to solve it. First of all, go to Play Store, then search Instagram. Now after you search Instagram, it will show you the Instagram app. Now if you have not updated your Instagram app, make sure the Instagram app is updated, because sometimes when a new update comes, the older versions do not show you the filters which the Instagram provides. So first of all, make sure you update it. After your Instagram app has updated successfully, check on the filters once again to see if they are showing now. If not, then you'll need to go to the settings of your phone. Now if you scroll down, you'll see an option called apps. Go into apps, then click on manage apps. After that, you will need to search Instagram, then tap on it. Now the another thing you can do is clear the cache of Instagram. To do that, click on the clear data option and click on clear cache. Caches are the unused data which are not needed for the operation of any system or apps. After you've done that, once again uninstall the Instagram application, then reinstall it. The filters may show immediately or may take some time to show. I hope these steps helped you to recover your Instagram filters and effects. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be soon back with similar videos such like this. Thank you for watching.